your own home gym space in your home. Let's go. Go over my weights. So I got this weight rack on Amazon. I'll try and find the link for it and link it below, but it was like $20 or something. And then I put all my booty bands, all my different booty bands on here. I have some light 5-pound weights on here. I have some of my resistance bands tied up on here. I usually don't keep them tied up on here at all times, but I just filmed. I have a speaker. I have my heavy 35-pound weight, and then I have a set of 8-pound weights, a set of 5, and one 15-pound weight. This is all I was able to get before madness, coronavirus hit, and all the weights were gone. And then I have some ankle weights up on here too. So I like to use this weight rack to tie my bands around. It's also perfect to just keep everything nice and organized, and it was a really easy buy for the cost it was. So that's the weights. I'm going to talk about the hip thruster. So I really wanted a way to do hip thrusts at home. I probably could have gotten a bench or something, but I liked that you were able to add bands to this to make it seem like as if you're using a barbell. So I invested in the hip thruster by Brett Contreras. He's known as the glute guy, but his company's called BC Strength. So I got the hip thruster, and then it comes with these 2 bands, and then it has all these things so you can like double the bands. And then I usually use a booty band when I'm using it too, which is by the same company. And then I usually just keep these bands on my rack here. And then I also got this 25-pound plate. Now this I specifically got for this, which I'll show you guys how to do. So this, you place your plate on, and then you can you could either use this option or this option, the different handle options here. And then, I'm trying to find the hole. All right, so then you stick this through, like so. And this you could do squat stuff with, and whatever your heart's content with that. So anyways, I have all of this stuff from BC Strength, and I love it. I'm not affiliated with them, but I just really love his stuff. I also, I'll show you guys the next thing in a second, but yeah, this is pretty much all the stuff I use. I also use this bench to do lunges, core stuff, like options are endless. So I really love my at-home hip thruster. So some things that I have for stretching are this, what's it called? Yoga wheel. I love this for like opening up my back. I just don't do enough stretching, so this really helps me. I have this cushion that I sit on to like meditate, and you've probably seen I film a lot of my videos sitting on this. I have this mat that is specifically for using sliders. I usually have a yoga mat too, but I actually left it at a friend's house. I got this barbell from BC Strength as well. This barbell is the light barbell, so it distributes the weight better. I really like it, especially because I'm short. I just need to still get another plate for it. So I've been doing landmine stuff, but I haven't been able to use it a ton. I have this for hip thrust or to put on my back for squats. I have this ball. You can get this ball at Target. I got this one at Target. It's just an exercise ball, great for core work. I recently got this ball ring. It's a 10-pound ring weight. And then I'm gonna show you guys this basket of goodies here. So I have jump ropes in here. I have more bands. I used to own a fitness studio, so I have gazillions of bands. But I have the Undersun, more Undersun resistance bands. I have furniture movers because I use furniture movers as sliders. They're exactly the same thing, so you don't need to spend a ton of money on those. I have a knee pad, more jump ropes, some gloves if I ever need, and my T-Rex, and really just like more bands and jump ropes. So I just have this cute little whisker basket and I throw it all in here. I really wanted to make this more like boho theme and not so hardcore home gym look. So that's really what I went for. And then let's move on to the flooring and the wall. Flooring might look like it's hardwood floor, but it's foam flooring. I got it on Amazon. I'll try and find the link, but I got it so long ago. But basically, I have actually double the amount, so I have a whole more squares in storage because I ordered way too many for this small space. But they basically, I don't know if you can see me, but they rip apart here and then they just like go together like a puzzle piece. And then I actually cut some of them to just like fit perfectly in here. But yeah, they're foam flooring. I wanted foam because I like that you can jump and it's comfortable. Yeah, sometimes it makes that like sound because it's sticky, but I think this flooring is way better to have compared to like just straight hardwood floor. And then let's talk about the wall. Again, I wanted like a boho theme. So I actually ordered from Shen, which is like this Chinese website that basically sells things that you can find on Etsy. Like these stickers were like $30 each on Etsy and they were like $4 on Shen. And I don't even know if I'm spelling that right, but S-H-E-I-N, I think it is, or it might be I-E-N, but Shen is the website. But I just wanted some positive quotes, so I got this one. I wanted just like a bohemian zen feel for this home gym. This is actually my dining room, so I turned my dining room, I sold the dining room furniture and turned the dining room into my home studio as well as where I can film. And yeah, I really love it. Again, the flooring is from Amazon. You could just type in foam wood flooring and you'll see a bunch of different color options. And then all this stuff is from Shen, but you can get it from Amazon, Etsy, wherever. And yeah, I would like to know if you guys have any questions, leave them below. I want to help you build your own home epic gym. And if you haven't already, check out my online streaming platform. I recently launched it. It's tons of workouts you can do at home, working out real time with me, workouts that you can do anywhere, anytime, and there's a free 7-day trial. Check it out, the link will be in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed to